This video is brought to you by Restaurantware. In it, we're talking about disposable cups and lids, specifically these Visage cups and lids that are fantastic for cold drinks. They come in a couple of different styles. You have your plain clear plastic, the Madame, so she has a cute little face, nice little red lips, lots of character, and the Monsieur, so cute little pair of eyes and a mustache for just a little bit of whimsy. And we have them in the 20 ounce and the 12 ounce size. And you can see we have both options for the faces in the 12 ounce size as well. And there's a few different lid options. We have a flat lid with a straw hole that will go with both the 12 and the 20. And then we have 3 lid options over here that will work with 9, 12, and 16 ounce cups. And these are the top hats. So you can see it's a kind of elevated drinking spout that also has a straw hole that's available in clear and also black. So you can kind of make cute little custom, right, setups with different little kind of hats and tops for some of these, and also the baseball cap, which will fit 9, 12, and 16 ounce cups as well. And this one has a nice little straw hole. It's actually kind of a big one, would even work for, say, bubble tea straws. So these are some cute little lid options. The lids all fit nice and securely that allow you to make some different little kind of setups and add a little bit of whimsy, character, and a few little whimsical touches to your next event, right? Whether it's, say, a sporting event where you want to serve some cold drinks, or if you just want some cute options for takeout for your restaurant or cafe, maybe your smoothie or tea shop, if you're doing especially things like bubble tea. These are just some nice little fun options. And it's made of a recyclable, crystal clear plastic that's going to be perfect for showing off those cold drinks, juices, cocktails, whatever you're making, and also makes disposal really easy. So these are great for parties at home as well, catered events, whatever you're doing. It's a nice little touch of whimsy if you need it, or just those standard plain clear ones if you're looking for something just to show off those ingredients. These are a nice disposable option for cold drink cups.